Hello you lot, Miller Corner here and welcome back once again. Now while it's not quite mandatory, one of the things you're seeing increasingly often added to all cars, not just those owned by enthusiasts who modify them, is dash cams. With insurance and more fraud going on and premiums rising and all the rest of it, having a dash cam, while it's not mandatory yet, is advisable. But like many things that you have to have in the world, you don't necessarily want to have to spend a load of money on it. So I thought I'd put the absolute extreme end of that to the test. I went on good old Temu and picked up this, a mirror dash cam. So it goes over your existing mirror, gives you a nice big rear view mirror and a screen so you can see what the camera's filming, and it's supposedly a 1080p dash cam. This from Temu was £11. Is it any good? Will this do in the world where dash cams might well become mandatory? Let's rewind a couple of months to when I first bought this and find out. There's the main event. We're going to come back to that because there's extra bits in here. There's actually quite a comprehensive instruction manual in many languages. English, German, I think there's Polish or something there, Spanish. These, which are for if you want to play snakes and ladders with 3D pieces, not really, these are straps that go around the back of the mirrored cam itself to hook onto your existing mirror, power supply that goes into your cigarette lighter. But here is where your money goes. This is our mirror dash cam. And you know what? That's actually quite a nice looking thing, isn't it? It's all sort of thinly bezeled, it doesn't stick out too much. You've got a few buttons underneath for volume and power and various other bits and pieces. On the back is the camera itself, and it's on like a ball thing as far as I can tell. So I think, can you, if I'm very gentle with it, that might move. That doesn't feel like it wants to move particularly readily, but maybe it does. We'll find out when it's in use. It looks all right. It's not actually blue. It's got a screen protector on it, which I will take off once I've installed it. So we're going to jump cut now to when I've got it attached to my mirror. Right, you're going to have to excuse the extremely untidy wiring situation because the plug I've got already in here is too long and hits my dome light. So I will have to run their one on the angle there, which does actually fit around the dome light, that's fine, but it's not behind the dash. So I'll do that off camera. That's not Temu's fault, that's mine. Anyway, I know a lot of you are going to want to see this, the old ASMR of pulling this off. Ready? Oh, let's see what we get, shall we? Oh, I don't know how much of this you can see. So I've got a screen there kind of showing what my dash cam can see. I need to get that more central. The only markdown I am going to give it at the moment, the actual moving the lens is quite stiff to... It's a big mirror. Like you can see a lot behind you. It's bigger than the standard mirror, that's for sure. And actually not unsubtle. So it's obviously the wire hanging down is a big unsubtlety. But that aside, I can see where I'm going. It's not blocking my view of the windscreen particularly. It's a bit bigger than my standard mirror, but not much. And I can adjust it to make it suit. And there's a big wide range of motion. You could use this on a big car, I think, and still see your kids in the back and what have you. Let's go into menu. Do I have to hold a button? Ah. Okay. There's no memory card in it at the moment, which is probably something I should have done. Hang on, bear with me. How far down is the clicking in point? No, it's still not clicking in. Trim this bit out in the edit. Okie dokie, we're back in business. And there you go, as soon as it's detected a card, it started recording. So I can just adjust. That lens is really stiff. To have the mirror where I want it and to adjust the camera where I want it, at the moment they're not talking to each other. It's quite tight in there, is my first impression. So stand by. I had this as my only dash cam and I suppose my only rear view mirror for a month. And let's go through the good and the bad of the 11 quid mirror dash cam thing from Temu. For a start, the instructions. A cheap Chinese item you wouldn't expect to have perfect English, but they did. Very good, very thorough. All the information in there explained, so bonus points for that. Quality, again, 11 quid off Temu, you don't expect much, but this is not bad at all. The plastic, genuinely decent quality. It doesn't really flex or bend. It never failed to work or start or record or anything. And as a mirror, it's really good. It's a really good size. It's like being a bus driver with the amount you can see behind you. So again, really useful. As a mirror, this thing is excellent. And the sound quality actually isn't bad either. When you play the recordings back, I'm going to cut in a few seconds of audio now. And just for reference, I was listening to a Smith & Sniff podcast at the time. So that's the audio from my car speakers that you're getting.
The top. We need to get in and out of these films, and I would do all that and sort of then show my homework.
Considering how noisy and vibratey and bare inside my car is, that's not bad at all. Again, I think the audio quality is really decent. If you needed to rely on that for a legal case, you definitely could. However, I'm now going to show you the video that it gets. For reference, very quickly before we do that, this is the kind of video I get from my existing Dashcam, which is a cheap, but not this cheap, Next-based camera. It's a fairly common Dashcam brand. You can pay 30 or 40 quid for one, quite common in the UK. This is what I'm currently getting for a claimed 1080p Dashcam.
We've got some clips that we're not gonna spoil everything, but if you follow me on Instagram,
that's pretty reasonable. You can see number plates, you can see road signs. That would hold up in a court of law, I reckon, if you needed it to. Let's show you this thing.
The spirit that someone brought back from holiday, you know it's not going to end well. No, yeah. Here you are anyway. Yeah, to be fair, we buy most of our stuff on Facebook. Lots of places. Yeah, it's great. It's not, but it's great. There's a car I saw in there.
Yeah. If the filter you're after for your Dashcam videos is webcam from the year 2006, this is the thing for you. But for actually relying on Dashcam footage to use for anything where you need to recognise details, number plates, road signs or people, this is useless. It's 11 quid and it shows it, frankly. And the one thing it needs to be able to do as a camera, even if everything else is crap, is be producing good quality video, and it doesn't. So in the answer to can you use an 11 quid Temu Dashcam as your mandatory Dashcam in the future? Well, certainly if it's going to be this one, as we stand now, no. But who knows, maybe I'll find a better one on Temu for just a few more quid in the future, we'll see. But for now though, thanks very much for watching everybody. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for all future content on this little nugget and all the various cars we have on the channel around here. And until then, have a brilliant rest of your day. Catch you soon. And have a good one.